Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your recent activities in File Explorer. Let me show you. If you open up File Explorer and go to Home, this section here on the bottom that says Recent, it's going to show you any file that you open, use, or whatever. And I'm going to give you a typical example. I'm going to go to Downloads right here, and I'm going to go ahead and let's say open up this file here. This is a file. This is actually a PDF file. I'm going to try to find something else on my PC. So that could be whatever it is. It could be this thumbnail. I'm going to open it. This is considered as a file. I'm going to open up something else as well. Let me go through my list. I see this is a document file. I'm going to open up this file here and I'm going to close it, right? So this is something, and I'm going to scroll through again and just open up a few files, right? So this is something else. I'm going to go ahead and open up, for example, this file here and so forth. And so these are files that I'm opening, and it doesn't matter what file you open up on your computer, these will show, right? So now if I go to home, you will see right here on the bottom, it shows recent. And so guys, if you want to hide your recent activities in Windows 11 on your File Explorer, let me show you what you need to do to hide that. Once you're in the File Explorer, go ahead and click the three dots on the upper part of your screen. It doesn't matter if you're on Home, if you're on Pictures, if you're on Downloads, it doesn't matter where you are. Go ahead and click the three dots at the top. Then click an option. Now here under the privacy section here under general, you can see this option that says show recently used files. And so if you have this unchecked and click on apply, it's going to hide them and no one will be able to see the files that you recently viewed. Now I'm going to go back and show you on home that it's now hidden. See, you can't see it anymore. And so if I go back to downloads, and I'm going to open in another file. So let's open up this picture of myself. I'm going to open up another file again. Let's try this. And you get the general idea. Files are being opened. Now, if I go back to home, guess what? You can't see it. And that's it. So if you want to hide your recent activities in File Explorer, you don't want people to see what you're opening, you don't mind not seeing it because you already know that's how you can easily hide your recent activity in File Explorer.